Let's look at this question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of series 2 plus 13 plus 28 plus 47 plus 70 till so on. Okay, so if you look carefully that this is not AP, this is not GP, so we don't know what kind of series is this. Okay, so and we cannot use like AP or GP concepts to find the nth term. So how can we generalize this and find nth term? So the approach is you have to like check in which level the different gets constant. So this is nothing but 13 minus 2 is 11. Okay, this is 28 minus 13 is 15. 47 minus 28 is 19. Okay, and this is going to be nothing but 47 and my 70 minus 47 is 23. So this was the first level of difference. So again we will find the difference till the difference becomes constant. So 15 minus 11 is 4, 19 minus 15 is 4, 23 minus 19 is also 4. So in the second level this got constant. So the generalized term which we will get is going to be of the form of quadratic equation, which means it is going to be of second degree equation, that is it will have n square in it. Okay, so how can we proceed further and what should be done next? So since we know that this is going to be uh, equation of second degree, so the generalized form of equation of second degree is ax square plus bx plus c. So if x here is the nth term, okay, so let me rewrite this. One second, this is going to be an square plus bn plus c, where n is nth term. Okay, so if we put n as 1, we will get a plus b plus c equals to the first term, that is 2. If we put n as 2, we will get this is going to be 4a. Okay, one second, this is going to be 2b plus c equal to second term, that is 13. If we put n equals to 3, we will get 3 square is 9, so 9a plus 3b plus c equals to 28. This is our first equation, this is our second equation, this is our third equation. Okay, so let's solve this equation. If we subtract first equation from second equation, we will get 3a plus b equals to 11. If we subtract second equation from third equation, we will get 5a plus b equals to 28 minus 13, 15. So let this be equation 1, this be equation 2. If we subtract equation 1 from 2, we will get 2a equals to 4 or a equals to 2. So we got a equals to 2. Similarly, we will get b and c equals this will become 6, 3 into 2 6, 11 minus 6 is 5, and in our main equation this is going to be nothing but 2 plus 5 plus c equals to 2. So 2 to be like 2 plus 5 plus c equals to 2. Okay, so this is going to be nothing but minus 7, so c becomes minus 5. Okay, so we got c as minus 5. So our equation becomes 2n square plus 5n minus 5. So we have to find summation of this, and we are given n as 20. So let me clear the screen first, one second. So it will become summation of 2n square, okay, plus 5 summation of n minus 5 summation of 1. Okay, or this is going to be nothing but one second, 2 into the formula for square of first and the formula for summation of square of first and natural number is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is going to be 5 into n plus 1 by 2 and minus 5 into number of terms, that is 20. Okay, so this is going to be nothing but 2 into 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 plus 5 into 20 into 21 by 2 minus 100. This is going to be nothing but 10 and this will become 7. Okay, so 10 into 7 into 41 plus 2 into, okay, this is also become 10. 5 into 10 into 21 minus 100. This will be nothing but 140 into 41 plus 210 into 5, 1050 minus 100. Okay, this is going to be 140 into 40 is going to be 14 fours is 56 and 5600 plus 140 plus 1050 minus 100. So this is going to be nothing but 6690. So our answer becomes 6690.